Tama na. Ano to? Para na namang ulam?
Mahal, pangako bukas, may kakainin na tayo.
Sinabi mo rin yan kahapon. Paano tong anak natin, ha? Paano natin ito bubuhayin?
Mahal, please, magtulungan tayo. Makakaahon din tayo dito.
Ayoko na. O ito, ikaw na maghalaga niyan.
Mahal, please, wag mo naman kaming iwan.
Babalik na ako sa dati kong buhay. Sa buhay na nakakakain ako na masarap. Sa buhay na nakakapag-party ako. Sa buhay na prinsesa ako. Ayoko na ng gantong buhay.
Mahal, please, babawi ako.
My
Kaya
kids
mo na
love
yan.
these frozen yogurt bites. They're so delicious.
At wag na
They
ako
serve it
gugulin,
like that
ha?
and then cut one of the corners off. Then make these
Anak,
little bite sizes.
pangako
which are
hindi
shaped
kita
like my
iiwan, ha?
Use
Nandito
any of
lang
your
ako
favorite
para
yogurt.
sa'yo. Hindi kita
Then freeze for about
papabayaan.
4 hours.
Okay, Mr. Ramon?
You can use your fingers or a spoon to remove them
Ma'am,
from the wax paper.
tanggap na po ba ako sa
Serve
trabaho?
immediately and then store the rest in the freezer.
Sorry, sir.
Enjoy.
Based sa resume mo, hindi ka pala nakapagtapos ng college. Ang hanap po namin is college graduate. Uy, Ramon, mukhang galing ka sa interview ah. Natanggap ka? Hindi nga eh. Baka may alam kang pwede kong pasukan ng trabaho. Pwede ako. Sige, sabihan kita ha. Salamat, Susan. Dami naman basura dito. Ramon, may hiring daw yung kakilala ko at pwede ka daw doon magtrabaho. Ha? Talaga? Sa wakas, mabibilin ko na lahat ng pangangailangan ng anak ko. May anak ka pala? Oo. Iniwan kami ng nanay niya dahil di niya kaya tong gantong buhay. Hayaan mo, hindi mo deserve yun. Wow, ang bilis. May pumalit na agad sa akin. Mali ka nang iniisip. Alam mo ba, Ramon, nabibili ko na lahat ng gusto ko ngayon. Kumakain kami sa magandang restaurant at nakatira ako sa mansyon. Ha? Honey, tara na. Ipag-shopping pa kita mamaya. Baka malit pa tayo sa dinner natin. Okay, honey, papunta
What do you do
na.
when you are craving your favorite
ikaw
meal
babae
but
ka?
missing a few ingredients and you
Kung
just
ayaw
don't feel
mo
like leaving
masira
your
ang
house to go
buhay
to the
mo,
grocery store?
layuan
I
mo
had
yung
this intense
lalaking
craving
yan.
for pasta and I was missing a few ingredients and I didn't feel like leaving the house, so I used Kroger's new Delivery Now service.
Hindi
I
ko alam
absolutely
kung
love how easy
kinakain
and convenient
to.
this delivery service is, and you can get your items in as little as 30
Trying
minutes. It is
viral
versatile for all
TikTok
needs, whether you are
snacks.
craving for
Let's
quick foods,
go!
something salty or
Dumating
sweet,
na
or missing
sila!
ingredients to make your favorite
Lahat ng
recipe.
mga
I
papakita
was
ko
able
dito,
to make this
hindi
simple garlic
sponsored.
tomato
Baka
pasta for my
naman.
family
Ang una
with the
natin
help of
titikman
Kroger's
ay may
Delivery Now service.
1.3
Check out
million
this new
sold sa
delivery service
TikTok
to see
shop.
what they have to offer
Wow,
and never
grabe.
skip out
Sana
on making your
natin.
favorite
Ang
recipe.
laki pala niya. Parang mukha ko
This
na to.
energy snack is so good. It only needs 3
Wow.
ingredients. Remove the seeds from the dates and then stuff them with
ang
any nut
damo.
butter. I used peanut butter. Then drizzle some melted dark chocolate, and the sea salt is optional.
Lasa siyang
Place them in
Coco
the
Crunch
fridge
tapos
and
lagyan
allow
mo
the
lang ng
chocolate to
matcha
harden.
sauce. For me,
Then
i-rate
serve.
ko to ng
These are
7
so
out
good.
of 10.
Enjoy.
Okay, next,
I
etong
saw someone
mamon
make
from
this cucumber
China
keto snack,
and super
and I
sikat
decided
neto,
to try it out.
promise.
Peel and slice the
Ano to?
cucumber in half.
Kinakain ba to?
Then
So
scoop
yung
out
mga
the
nasa
inside to the
sapatos,
cucumber.
di ba?
I used the paper
Kasi
towel
hindi
to
ko alam
dry
kung
it,
kinakain
and then
to.
I added
Pag di ko
cream
na-upload to,
cheese,
ibig sabihin alam nyo na.
some mashed avocados, and then you can enjoy it
Guys,
as
hindi
is,
pala
or
siya
you can top it off with
kinakain.
some
Ganito
everything
yung
maple
tsura
seasoning.
niya.
It was so delicious. Enjoy. Let's make these 3 ingredient cookies. They're so delicious. All you need is 2 bananas mashed up and a
Ang
cup of sugar.
sarap! Wow, wow,
Then,
wow, wow,
mix them
wow,
together
wow.
until
Kaya
they're well
siguro viral to.
Using a scooper, scoop out some of the dough, and then place them on a sheet pan lined up with parchment paper.
Ang sarap!
Flatten them
Bahay
with your hands,
namin out
and then
of
bake at
10 to
350 for about 20 to
guys!
25 minutes
Kapag
until
hindi ko
they're golden
nasarapan
brown.
dito,
Then
sunugin
top
yung
with
bahay
some melted
namin.
chocolate.
Okay,
Allow
etong
them to
next
cool
natin
before
is
serving.
merong
They're so
2.1
delicious.
million sold sa TikTok shop.
Enjoy.
Grabe, ang dami nun! Paldo kayo Ito na sila guys. Bumili ako ng dalawang cookie.
He did
Etong
the monster
matcha.
man.
Ito, asteroid.
It was a
So,
great
ganito
large
ng
smash.
space. Hindi.
It caught on in a flash.
Sarap
He did the
wow.
monster.
Direct ko kasi yung
From my lab
mga-
before even the castle east, to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to
Okay,
get
next
a
na tayo.
joke
So,
from my
meron
electrode.
300,000 sold
They
sa
did the
TikTok
monster
shop.
man.
Tikman natin kung lasa ba talaga siyang chicharon. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Mukha siyang chicken skin. Parang mas masarap to kapag may suka. Honey Bunch! Tikman mo na. I-rate ko to ng 9 out of 10. Etong next natin, palagi ko to nakikita sa FYP ko. Kaya itry na natin. Charan! Amoy gatas niyong powder. Ganito yung tsura niya. Parang may nagalaban eh sa loob ng bibig ko. Pero di kanya pinaglaban. Masarap siya and i-rate ko siya ng 9 out of 10. Okay, last natin natitikman itong fruit and vegetable na chips. May ganun pala. So, ito yung laman niya. Assorted siya, guys. Una natin titikman ito. Di ko alam kung ano to. Mukha siyang tubo. Feel ko nalunok ko na yung mga braces ko. Okay lang yung nauna ko natikman. Ito, parang sweet potato. Parang magkakalasa lang sila lahat. Iba lasa niya ito. Durian! Kaya pala parang may amoy. I-rate ko to ng
We've been
5
making
out
sushi
of
bakes,
10.
and it is
Hindi
so
ko
easy
siya
to
masyado
make and delicious.
nagustuhan,
You should
pero malay nyo kayo
Cook some sushi
magustuhan,
rice,
di
place
ba?
in a bowl,
In
add
fairness
some lemon, some
matibay yung
rice
braces
vinegar,
ko.
and top with
Kung meron pa
teriyaki
kayong gustong ipatikim sa akin,
Then in a
comment
separate
nyo lang
bowl, use some
dyan.
imitation
Yun lang
crab.
naman guys.
Shred them or buy
Bye!
them shredded, topped with some baked salmon. I had some leftover salmon that I used. Mixed those together and then added some sriracha mayo. You can add sriracha by itself and some cubes mayo.
Ma'am.
Give that a good mix and then
added
added some cream cheese, about 1/3 cup of cream cheese. Mix together until they're combined. Top it over the rice and then bake at 400 for about 15 minutes and then I broiled for another 3 to 4 minutes. Topped with some more mayo, some more green onions, some more teriyaki seasoning. Enjoyed with some seaweed snacks and avocados. Amazing.
Problema, ma'am, kung tatanggalin pa namin yung katawan niya sa ilalim ng semento, baka hindi agad matapos tong bahay niyo. Hindi pwedeng hindi matapos agad tong bahay na to. Di bale, babayaran ko na lang yung pamilya nung namatay. Nay, sigurado ka ba? Sige po, ma'am. Sige na, ituloy niyo na yan. Congrats po, ma'am. Natapos din yung bahay niyo. Ang ganda, di ba? Wow, ang ganda. Maraming salamat, engineer. Una na po ako, ma'am. Anak, tara pasok na tayo. Wow, ang ganda ng loob. Nay, hindi talaga ako mapakali na may bangkay dito sa ilalim ng bahay natin. Huwag kang okay, anak. Kasalanan na naman kung bakit siya namatay eh. Ay, matutulog na lang ako sa bago kong bahay. Wow, ang ganda ng kwarto ko. Ano yun?
Kasalanan mo kung bakit ako namatay.
Nay! Ganda nito. Sana maging successful yung pagbebenta ko ng damit mo, na. Mahal, ang dami nating ibebenta mamaya. Manifest natin na makabenta kayo, Nay, para makaahon na tayo sa kahirapan. Hindi ako makapaniwalang nabili ko na yung pangarap kong tig 200,000 na relo. Wow, ang ganda niyan, Tay. Anak, tignan mo ito binili sa akin ng tatay mo. Diba ang ganda? Hala, di ba mahal yan, Nay? Mas mahal pa to sa bahay ng kapitbahay natin, no? Magbebenta ulit kami mamaya para mas marami tayong pera. Anak, binilang kita ng kotse. Gamitin mo to pag pupunta ka ng school, ha? Ha? Tay, di ko naman po kailangan ng kotse. Kaya ko naman po mag-commute.
Your drinks, baby, get you a me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga. Oh yeah, it's time to mix it up and get your glow, girl. I know that you gon' get it, you got so much.
Make these 3-ingredient chocolate chip cookies. They're so delicious. You'll need 2 ripe bananas. Mash up the bananas and then add the oats. Then add some dark chocolate chips. Give them a good mix until they're well combined. Using a scooper, scoop out the batter and then add them to a sheet pan lined up with parchment paper.
Ano ka ba, anak? Malaki
Press the batter down so that they're a little bit flat.
Pero, Nay, wala nang pero-pero.
Bake at 350 for about 15 to 20
Mayaman na
minutes.
tayo.
Then allow them to cool completely before serving.
Sige na,
They're
mag-ayos
so
pa ako ng
delicious.
benta ko.
Enjoy. I love making watermelon detox water.
Mahal?
Cut a watermelon in
Nakauwi ka na ba?
half. Then using a scooper, scoop out the watermelon and make mini balls. Then add them into a cup. Add some lime wedges, some fresh mint, and I love using sparkling water instead of plain water. This is so delicious and so refreshing. Try it and let me know what you think. Enjoy.
Nagbebenta sila ng laman.
So I finally tried the salmon rice and I loved it. I did what everybody did. Cooked the salmon, added some rice and an ice cube. I wasn't sure what the ice cube was for, but I did it anyways. Microwaved it for about a minute. Then I added some sriracha and some spicy mayo. You can add some soy sauce. I topped with avocados and sesame seeds, and you can have them with the seaweed wraps. They're pretty amazing. You can add any of your favorite toppings, and this way was easier for me to eat. These pumpkin cookies are so good. You need pumpkin puree, oats, dark chocolate chips, maple syrup or honey, and about a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Give them a good mix until they're well
Nandito lang
combined.
yung kanina.
Then using a scooper, add them to a sheet
Mahal.
pan lined up with parchment
Nandun
paper.
lahat ng mga
Press down with a
sketch
scooper
natin.
or use your hands to shape the cookies.
Sinong
Then bake at
tao
350
dyan?
for about 10 to 12 minutes. Allow them to cool completely before serving. They're so chewy and so good. Enjoy.
Anak, nilang kita ng bagong cellphone, bagong tablet, iPad, tapos iPhone. Nay, para saan to? Sus, nagmamaang-maangan ka pa? Kala mo di ko alam na with honors ka sa school? With honors? Ah, oo, Nay! Deserve mo yan, anak! Oo, Nay, deserve ko to. Ganda nito. Puntahan pa na natin yung teacher mo. Magpapasalamat tayo.
Let's make this healthy and easy snack. Cut up some celery into bite sizes. Add them on a plate, and then top them off with some cream cheese. Then sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on
A
each one.
few moments later.
These are so easy to make, so creamy, crunchy, and so good.
Ah,
Enjoy.
ma'am, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat dahil with honors yung anak ko. Wala yun, ma'am. Nay, uwi na tayo, tara na. Kahit palagi di pa mapasok at bagsak yan sa lahat ng subjects. Ano sabi mo? Bagsak? Oo ma'am, bagsak. Pero dahil mabuti siyang jowa sa akin, with honors pa rin siya. Ha? Jowa mo yung anak ko? Opo ma'am, may problema po ba? Aba, child abuse na yan ah. I-report kita, manda ka. Ikaw naman, pinatulan mo yan? Ang tanda-tanda na yan eh. Nay, magpapaliwanag ako. Fake news lang palang with honors ka. Ibalik mo sa akin lahat ng binili ko sa'yo.